Hi, this is Bill Winchell with Brock Grain Systems. I'm here in Sheffield, Iowa at our Lemar facility down here in Sheffield, the home of our new 1500 series farm bin sweep. We're doing a series of videos today of installing and assembling the sweep, showing guys how easy it is to go together. This is a real high quality sweep, and we're really pretty proud of all the new features and benefits we built into it. It's got an auger assembly on it that is set up to make sure the auger is the first thing to hit the grain, not the backboard, to keep it moving along. A 16-to-1 drive wheel to make sure the sweep will go around the bin. We also have a gear reduction on the control handles to open and close the center well and the intermediate wells, so it multiplies your arm strength to get those wells open when you want to get them open under the heaviest load. As we complete these videos, we're going to put them on YouTube so they're accessible by you, the general public, and our dealers at large to go ahead and help their installation people make the installation in your particular grain bin. Look for these to come in the near future.